Are you missing opportunities in your marketing strategy? Could there be hidden pitfalls that you're unaware of, causing harm to your brand's reputation? The world of marketing is an ever-changing landscape. It's not enough to simply get your name out there. It requires strategy, analysis, and a deep understanding of shifting trends. This is where Creative Edge Consultants steps in. Imagine a team of seasoned experts, armed with knowledge, experience, and cutting-edge tools, guiding your marketing strategy. That's what Creative Edge Consultants brings to the table. We are not just consultants, we are your strategic partners, committed to taking your marketing to the next level. Our team understands that each business is unique, with its own set of challenges and opportunities. We believe in bespoke solutions, not one-size-fits-all approaches. Our strategies are tailor-made, designed to align with your business goals and brand identity. We dive deep into market analysis, studying your competitors, understanding your target audience, and keeping a pulse on the latest trends. Our approach is data-driven, ensuring your marketing efforts are not just effective, but measurable and accountable. But we don't stop at creating strategies. We guide you through the execution process, tweaking and adjusting as necessary to ensure optimal results. We believe in a proactive approach, continuously monitoring and analyzing the performance of your marketing campaigns to make sure they're delivering the desired outcomes. Creative Edge Consultants is more than a marketing consultancy. We are your partners in growth. Our goal is to not just meet your expectations, but to exceed them. With us by your side, you'll not just navigate the complex world of marketing, you'll conquer it. To summarize, marketing is not just about visibility, it's about strategy, analysis, and understanding ever-changing trends. Without specialized expertise, you're not just missing opportunities, you're potentially harming your brand's reputation. Creative Edge Consultants provides that expertise. We are the strategic partners who will take your marketing to the next level. Remember, in this fast-paced world, standing still is moving backward. Stay ahead with Creative Edge Consultants. Get your edge.